Hi, and welcome to Embodied Flow. I am Jessica, and welcome to a new season, to the season of in between. Here in the Northern Hemisphere, we're just transitioning from the winter season, the ice has finally melted, into the spring season. And our friends from down under are in late summer, moving into autumn. So, what can we do in the season of in between? Well, this is a perfect time to ground our energy, to stabilize, because the earth is a stabilizing force. So if you feel a little bit scattered or unrooted, unbalanced, not really in your alignment, then let Mother Earth hold you and nourish you. We're going to work today with the earth element in all the 6 phases of Qigong Flow, the YOQI method. I'm so happy you joined me. Let's get the Zen. Let's get the flow. Holy, embodied. Let's arrive together. Feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing forward. Feel your connection to the earth, your feet grounded. And take a deep breath in and exhale. Let's lay the hands on the lower abdomen and let's breathe together. Take a deep inhale, feel your hands move forward. And with the exhale, your belly sinks. Inhale from the nose and exhale, just let it go. Take a few deep breaths. Feel your belly rise and sink. And feel your mind slowing down, calming. One more breath. And then we begin with fire breath. That's a soft inhale through the nose and a sharp exhale through the nose. Feel your belly rise and sink. Feel how the belly pulls in when you exhale. Feel how we cleanse the body with our breath. Make a fire, a cleansing fire. And then become still, exhale all out. And we draw down the heavens 3 times. Inhale, draw up earth chi. Then heaven chi. Exhale down. Again, imagine it like a chi shower from nature. Draw it down. One more, draw up the earth chi. Then rotate to the heaven. And wash it all down from your mind, your heart, and your physical body. We come into wuji earth. Your palms are facing the earth. Feel the connection to the earth. We align our body. Knees are soft and open. Sink your tailbone down. Lift the pubic bone a little bit. Lengthen your spine. Lengthen your neck. Feel the connection between heaven and earth. And then we begin to flow. we open up the arms like a bird, and then we sink from the Kwa and draw up earth chi over the body, over the crown, and exhale. We sink. Hands rotate to the earth. Try to stay upright with your back, and then inhale, draw it up. And exhale, we sink. Flow with intention rather than force, and at the same time, feel the strength of the earth, of your body. We call this flow drawing up the earth chi, or drawing up the earth. One more. And now imagine you're going to catch a ball into your hands. We begin to pulse. Feel the chi between your palms. And then we can build our chi ball by rotating this chi ball. By rotating. And you can go even forward and back. Move your body a little bit with this wonderful chi, your life force energy. Let's bring this force in front of the lower dantian. Hold it for a moment. And we're going to say a powerful affirmation for the earth force, for the earth element. You can say, I trust life. Smile into this energy. Inhale. And exhale. Feel your chi ball. Feel your chi. We rotate it. And then turn the palms to face the earth. We come into gathering the earth. We skim out, sink a little from the Kwa. Then inhale, draw the chi to the lower dantian, our energy center for vitality, for our superpower. Exhale. And inhale, draw it in. Exhale, we sink, feel the earth force, and then draw it in. The breath is natural, in and out through the nose, very soft. Really sense and feel. One more. And draw the chi in into Bao Chi. That means holding the chi. We center all this good energy now. I will mirror you. Have your right hand by your chi high point, and with the left inhale, draw up earth chi, and then collect all this good chi and guide it down the center line to your lower dantian. Inhale, Exhale. Do 2 more on each side and feel the connection between heaven and earth. Feel your upper, middle, and lower dantian. Last one. Feel your mind, your heart, and your physical body in harmony and in complete balance. Anchor this feeling here in your lower dantian. We step the feet together. Feel one more time the earth beneath the feet, knowing Mother Earth will always catch us. And with this knowing, let yourself just become very loose and sway forth and back. Surrender into the feeling and observe the intelligence of your body, knowing always how to come back into balance. Now find your center and become still. Feet deeply grounded and rooted with the earth. Now we inhale and draw up towards the heaven. Chest open. Exhale, shoulders back. With the hands to our heart, we bow to the intelligence of our heart. And then to all the hearts flowing with us here today, Amitufwa. Thank you for practicing with me today. May your day be filled with wonderful blessings and lots of Qi. Bye-bye.